Penloc is a range of unique, fast-curing, two-part structural adhesives. They are designed to bond just about any material combination, curing to a handling strength between 3 and 5 minutes. Penloc is used in a huge range of different applications, including kitchen appliance or white goods manufacture, boat building, automotive and transportation, lift car and escalators, commercial sign making, metal fabrication, loudspeaker and audio manufacture, and many other applications. This is a simple demo to show you how to use Penloc. First, lightly abrade both surfaces that you're going to bond, and then clean them using Eurobond's surface cleaning wipes or isopropyl alcohol in liquid form. Next, fit the cartridge into the applicator gun and press the green cap down firmly on a hard surface to pierce the cartridge. Next, press out a little adhesive to ensure both components are flowing freely. Then, clean the cartridge tip and fit our unique mini mixer nozzle. It's important to squeeze the trigger firmly and evenly when applying the adhesive. It will mix in a 1:1 ratio and will immediately start to polymerize. So position the second substrate fairly quickly and clamp or hold in position for 5 minutes. During this time, you can clean up any excess adhesive that may have squeezed out or dripped. Penloc can be applied in 3 different ways. Either direct from the cartridge, bead on bead, where one component flows on top of the other, or for critical bonding, use our mini mixer nozzle fitted to the cartridge. Or for very small applications, or for spot work, it can be applied bead on bead using our mini tip. Penloc is available in our unique 12mm, 25mm, 50mm and 400mm cartridges. We can also supply it in bulk containers. Trust Penloc from Eurobond Adhesives Limited to get it right first time, every time. For more information, please contact us. Thanks for watching our video.